Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today we're going to draw another new Pokemon. This one's name is Cetitan, and let's get started, I guess. So I'm going to start with the eye. So let's see. I'm going to do a circle right here and a little slanted line right there. And next I'm going to do a half circle and then a smaller half circle, real small, and then color in the larger one all black. Alright, so next I'm going to do a line right here and then bring it back this way, slanting downward. And then we're going to do a curve there. I'm going to color this in all black. Like that. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a kind of a swervy, curvy line underneath the eye here, like that. And I'm going to make a little line right there. And we can come down from here and surround that eye, like that. Now this line here we made, we're going to make a spike just underneath it. So we can come on up with a point and then come on over this way like that, and then kind of curve that end. And a little curvy right there too. And now we can bring this curve above that spike, and it's going to come down, and it's going to be curving like this. It's going to be underneath another spike. So let's do another one. Point right there and bring it back in like that. And then this funny little line is going to curve up and then come on, continuing up, and then curve this way, and we can do another spiky horn thing like that. And we're going to bring this line down and we're going to curve. It's going to be real round here. Continuing to round it out here like that. And up here we're going to continue making things round. Curve, curve, curve. And right here we're going to have another spike. So we can do a point right there. And here as well, just like that, and do a little curve underneath, and then we're going to slant downward from here and do a little hill here, a little slope, and it's coming up this way. Now we can do the tail. So we're going to come out and then come back in, and then same over here, and come on in, and before we do anything else over here, I'm going to work on something over here, kind of like the arm. So we're going to do a little line right there, and then come on out this way, and we can give them like a little thumb. And then we're going to come out a little bit further, and now we can curve here and meet up with that line, and we're going to make almost like the little palm of his hand here, a little shape there. And now we can finish up that tail, so we can bring this line in, and we're going to do another almost like a little spike coming out here. And he needs legs. So we're gonna do a little line right here and bring it down a bit. Over right here, we can do a little point, a little pointy spot for a little knee. And come on out. And then the bottom of the foot, and we can do like 2 kind of claws. So 1 and 2. And let's do another foot over here. Come on down. And do a little bottom of the foot. Come on up. And we do 1 kind of claw, toe claw, and another little toe claw in the back. And now we need another hand, so we can come on sloping down, do a little thumb, and then the rest of it. And then that little palm of the hand there. And now let's see. Right here, we're gonna do a little shape like that. And we're gonna do the same here underneath. Curve on up. And right here, we're gonna curve like that. And here, this middle spike here, we're gonna kind of bring a line down. And we're gonna do a circle right here, and right here, and one underneath, and another one right here. So these circles are almost kind of like on the bottom of his belly almost. So this line, we're gonna branch outward and go there. And over here, we're branching to this circle. We're gonna do a line from this one to this one. And from here, we're gonna do a line right there. And we're gonna have a line from this circle over here. And from this circle, we're gonna go right there. And from here to there. Now, we're not quite done, we're almost done, but on the tail over here, we can do a line and then come on over this way and then like that. And same for the other side, like that. So now we are finished our sketch and I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, folks, we're finished our picture. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!